This is the story of Wisconsin's soils, how they were formed, why they're important to us, how one soil is different from another, and how we can use and manage the soils to their best advantage. We may tend to take the soil for granted, but it's very important to us. Consider the fact that without the soil, we wouldn't have much of the food we eat. Grains, meat, milk, vegetables, and fruit all come directly or indirectly from the soil. Soil is needed in the production of the cotton or wool clothing we wear, to grow the wood to build our homes. Even the coal and oil we use to stay warm came from plants nourished by ancient soils. Of life's necessities, all are in some way tied to our soil. But the soil has many other uses which are important to us. It is a home to countless microorganisms and to animals which are at the base of the food chain. It provides a place from which plants get nutrients. These plants in turn provide food, cover, and shelter for wildlife. Soil stores water like a sponge between rains so that it's available to plants or to the human population when needed. It even has the unique capacity to filter and purify the water as it passes through. With trees, one type may be good for making paper, while another might be better used for lumber. Still another might not be useful for wood products or paper, but might produce an edible fruit. Soils are like that. They don't all lend themselves to the same use. Such things as the soil structure, texture, moisture holding capacity, and the degree of acidity help determine how suitable an area is for a given use. For example, farmers know from experience that one field on a farm may produce a more abundant corn crop than another, even though they are treated alike. The soil conditions make the difference. Foresters know that pines grow better on sandy soils than on clayey ones. Builders and contractors know that roads and foundations will last longer if constructed on one soil versus another. Health officials study the capacity of the soil to absorb liquid household waste before allowing homes to be built in unsewered areas. Wildlife managers and nurserymen routinely examine the soil conditions before deciding what trees or shrubs will do best. Whether we live in the city or the country, we all benefit from soil conservation. When the soil is protected, it costs the farmer less to grow his crop. Also, that food costs us less to buy. Soil conservation at the same time helps keep Wisconsin's water resources clean for drinking, swimming, boating, and fishing. We all depend on the soil, we should all do our part to protect it from careless use.